Teng Precision, CTT is a professional manufacturer that process OEM customized parts for clients. We provide processing services for a variety of metal and non-metal materials. CTT provides a one-stop service integrating all processing, from forging, stamping, die casting, aluminum extrusion, CNC machining to various surface treatments. Here, show you the main materials CTT can process. Here is the main surface treatments CTT provides. 5-axis machining. CTT with multi-axis machining ability for highly complex and high-precision components. The precision could reach 0.005 mm. 5-axis simultaneous machining. Multi-axis machining capabilities are mainly applied in industries such as aerospace, medical, semiconductor, electronics, and automotive. Dual spindle turning. As you see, the part being machined is the flow control valve used on bicycle. Through the dual spindle function to process with several angles to ensure the precise control on dimensions. This part is an air control valve, which requires exquisite appearance and multi-angle processing. The angles and dimensions need to be very precise, and slight differences will cause air leakage. The part being measured is the bicycle hub, which is the key component on bikes. Through CTT's professional processing technology, precision control is achieved plus or minus 0.004. High precision processing with M0.8 thread. High precision processing with roughness of the internal hole 0.103. High precision processing with flatness and deformation within 0.5 mm. Shown here is 3D curved surface machining. This part is pedal with high quality appearance. The processes includes forging, CNC milling machining, sandblasting, and anodizing. Shown here are the mechanical components with high complexity. CTT also provides the wire forming service for different metal materials. CTT provides you the best solution. Thank and look forward to hearing from you soon.